Hello, my name is Anna Cheke-Smith, L'Oréal Professionnel USA Artist, owner of Fashion Wonderland in Lancaster, Pennsylvania.
And this is the Sleek Editorial Ponytail. My client has fine texture, medium density, and medium porosity. Tecni.Art, new look, semi-conic performance. Now we're creating a sleek editorial ponytail using the polish for flexible styling and a constructed effect, and a natural matte finish you can restyle endlessly. Apply at the roots section by section, blending it well with your fingers, then comb it through to evenly distribute it before brushing into place. Brush through evenly with controlled tension to create a ponytail at the crown. Use the chin as your guide to find the right balance and profile. Using two small bobby pins and a knotted elastic, insert one pin at the base and hold it steady with your side end. With tension, wrap the elastic around the hair to secure the ponytail. Then anchor it with the second bobby pins. Using the tail of a fine-tooth comb, refine and clean up any small hairs for a polished finish. Pro tip: to hide the elastic, use a long hairpin and gently anchor it into the elastic. Take a small section of hair from underneath, spray it with Infinium 4 for strong hold and natural feels. Then smooth and wrap it around the elastic, using the tail of your comb. Guide the ends into the pin, pull it through, and comb it to blend seamlessly. Using 1.5-inch curling iron, half wrap the hair and clamp the tongue to avoid any lines. This sets the heat quickly and creates soft movements, not a defined curl. After curling, twist all the hair together and spray with Infinium 4. Now apply a few drops of Vitamino Color Spectrum Oil for gloss, shine, anti-frizz, and humidity control. Then brush through for a smooth finish. Place your hand behind the ponytail, shake it out, and spray with Infinium 4. This opens the shape, set it, and then I finish it by gently separating them with my fingers. And this is the Sleek Editorial Ponytail. By combining the right products with the proper tools and technique, you can create a sleek editorial ponytail that feels polished, modern, and effortlessly elevated. Tecni.Art is the new pro way to style hair.